Assalamu alaikum, my name is Adeel, and today I would like to express my heartfelt appreciation and strong recommendation for my computer sciences teacher, Miss Sadaf. She has not only imparted knowledge in us, but also she has ignited a passion for computer sciences and technologies in all of us. And due to her hard work, I was able to achieve an A star in my O level computer sciences. Moreover, her guidance does not limit to the classroom because when we were at home, she used to encourage us to enhance our problem solving skills, practice coding, and also explore new technologies. She has a highly infectious passion for her subject computer sciences, and due to her, we are inspired to opt for computer sciences as our further studies and manufacture it into our hopefully into our careers.